Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to use this GitHub repo that is Claude Counter. So basically it is a minimal browser extension that shows token count, cache timer and the usage bar on Claude AI. So basically session, okay, and weekly limit and everything. So it will let us know like how much it left. Okay, so we are going to use this extension. Let's see is good or not. Let's have a look. So there are the steps that we have to do for the Chrome, Edge and the Chromium. First of all, we have to download this counter zip. Okay, then go to the Chrome extensions and enable developer mode. Okay, so let's go to the Chrome, and here we are going to add this Chrome extensions. Okay, so there is go Chrome extension and enable developer mode. The developer mode. Okay, so load unpack. So I think drag and drop zip into the page. Okay, so here we have in the downloads, just drag. Okay, so here we have it's installed, shows token count, cache timer and everything. Let's take a look. Okay, so can we reload it? So here you can see that the session 91% resets in 4 hour and 43 minutes. Weekly 4% resets in 5 day 21 hours. So here you can see that you have already used 90% of the session limit. It's already spoke about. And if I just go and add something more research like top 5 AI tools, okay, then see how much resources have been consumed. So it asks, so it's giving me the results. Okay, so here you can see that the tokens are finished and you hit the message limit, resets in 9:30 a.m. You can, okay, and if I just go, and here you can see that the tokens cache this, and if I just go and just check, I will go with this. You're out of messages. Okay, let's open the new chat. Okay, so session 100% resets in 9:30 a.m. That is 4 hours 42. Okay, so it let you know that how many what are the things are left. Okay, so session expired, resets in this. So it's helpful, you can just try it out. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.